In this video, I'm going to show you the best kitchen knife set that you can buy to help make your cooking experience much easier. Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about kitchen knives. Now, I know that a lot of people might think that this isn't too interesting, but trust me, once you see the knife set that I recommend, you'll want one for yourself. So stay tuned and I'll show you what's good. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 6. Amazon Basics 18-Piece Premium Kitchen Knife Block Set. This Amazon Basics 18-piece kitchen knife set is perfect for precision cutting and lasting sharpness. With 7 kitchen knives, 8 steak knives, 1 kitchen scissors/shears, and 1 knife sharpener, this set has everything you need to get the job done. The superior, high-carbon stainless steel blades ensure precision results, while the full-tang, triple-riveted, black ergonomic knife handles provide comfort and control. The hardwood block included in this set will protect your knives and keep them neatly organized. Hand wash only. With a price point that is friendly to your wallet, this 18-piece Amazon Basics set offers great quality. The knives have stainless steel blades and ergonomic handles, which are perfect for handling food safely without any risk of contamination or injury due to the safe grip features included in each product's design. Plus, there's over 13,000 5-star reviews verifying how durable these products really are. One reviewer even said, "There isn't anything flimsy about their tang." Number 5. Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-Piece Forged Knife Block Set. Mercer's 6-piece forged knife block set is precision forged from a single piece of German X50 CR Mojo 15 stainless steel for superior strength and durability. The ergonomic Santoprene handle offers a non-slip grip, even with wet hands, and will not break down from exposure to kitchen oils. The knives are able to withstand hot and cold temperatures, and the full tang that runs the entire length of the handle provides superior balance. The tapered ground edge allows for added stability, easy honing, long-lasting sharpness, and increased efficiency. The best knives set includes not just steak knives, shears, and a sharpener, but also great versions of paring/chef's knives. The handles are Santoprene, which is extra flexible rubber, with non-slip properties that don't break down when exposed to oils or butter. Number 4. Home Hero 17 PCS Kitchen Knife Set. Looking for a unique kitchen gift this holiday season? Check out our all-in-one complete set of kitchen chef knives. This kitchen gadgets set includes 13 professional chef knives, making it the perfect mix of design and practicality. Made with stainless steel and boasting sharpness, great value, and durability, this knife set is a must-have for any cook. Plus, our customer service is the best around. Home Hero offers a complete set of high-quality kitchen knives for every culinary task. It includes 13 professional chef knives, which are ideal for all your chopping needs. The multi-purpose kitchen decor must, a perfect mix of design and practicality. This stainless steel knife set is made of top-quality stainless steel and has sharpness, great value, durability, and cooking much faster, easier, cleaner. We don't know about you, but we're big fans of this Home Hero kitchen knife set. With 4.7 stars and 2,900+ reviews under its belt, not to mention how much higher quality products are commonly rated on Amazon, it's no wonder why consumers love these knives so much. The set includes 17 pieces, 13 blades for all sorts or slicing and dicing needs, kitchen shears that can cut through anything with ease, even thick vegetables like carrots without wasting any juice, etc. Plus, they have stainless steel surfaces which make cleaning easy. Number 3. Calphalon Precision Sharp and NonStick 13-Piece Cutlery Set. The Calphalon Precision Sharp and NonStick 13-Piece Cutlery Set combines the best of both worlds, a sharp edge and non-stick blades for easy food release. The knives are forged from a single piece of steel and feature an innovative design that incorporates 2 features designed to encourage quick, effortless food release. The first is a longitudinal ridge on each blade, a Calphalon exclusive, that allows food to easily slide down the blade, while also creating air pockets between the knife and whatever you're cutting. The second is a non-stick coating that helps prevent foods. This knife set is easy to store, thanks not only the included block, but also for having handles that are firm and comfortable. We do recommend avoiding wet hands when using these knives, as they could cause slipping due to their material used on internal parts like rivets or nuts, which makes me think it's important you always dry off before handling your blades after washing dishes, etc. Overall though, my wife absolutely loves this product. The handle is designed for comfort, balance, and control. Its ergonomic shape allows you to hold the knife comfortably with your whole hand. The full-tang blade gives added balance and strength while dicing, slicing, or chopping. The handle also has a longitudinal ridge that encourages quick food release from the blade after each cut. A non-stick coating on the blade ensures smooth cutting action without sticking or dragging of foods. Number 2. A Mojo Knife Set 15-Piece Kitchen Knife Set. This 15-piece knife set from Mojo is perfect for the home cook. The all-in-one set includes an 8-chef knife, 8-slicing knife, 8-santoku knife, and 8-bread knife. Made from 3CR13 MOV Superior high-carbon stainless steel blades, the knives are rust-resistant and precision-cut. The ergonomically designed ABS handle provides a comfortable grip and minimizes finger cramps and aches. Hand wash only to retain the fine quality of the exceptional knives. This set won the category of Best Knife with Wooden Handles. But how exactly is this feeling? After our testing, we realized that some knives are sharper than others. While not being a deal breaker, although it does mean you'll need to sharpen them more often if using for cutting food on your plate every minute. However, there's also no problem in having two types, ridge edge vs straightener, since both will get done what needs doing without any trouble whatsoever. Number 1. All Triple Knife Set Premium 18-Piece Kitchen Knife Set. All Triple Kitchen Knife Set is the perfect forged knife set for daily cutting. The 18 pieces German stainless steel knives set meets all the needs of kitchen tools, and it is durable enough to last a lifetime. The blades are extremely strong, durable, super sharp, and practical. No rust, stains, high carbon content in this German X50 CR15 Superior high-carbon stainless steel ensures that it can be used for a long time without any problem. All triple knives are ergonomically designed with comfortable packwood handles, which provide you with an easy grip. When I heard that this set was only $30, my interest was piqued. The brand is not well known and rarely available for purchase, so it seemed like an opportunity to see how good they were. These knives cut beautifully. The only problem: no knife, block, or magnetic strip storage option, which means you'll need either drawers or lots of room on your fridge, or wherever, if planning around these baby blue knives. But let me tell, worth every penny spent. How to choose best kitchen knife set. When it comes to choosing the best kitchen knife set, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Not all sets are created equal, and you'll want to make sure you get the best knives for your needs. In this video, we outline what to look for when purchasing a set, as well as some of our favorite options on the market.